Alright, y'all, we're going to run this steak dinner for Jennifer. We have 45 spots at $2 each. We'll copy our list. And go live at 8:40. It is 8:40. We'll roll the dice. We need a 4 or higher. We have 9, so we'll randomize for the first time at 8:40. After the first time, we have 45 items in our list. Cassidy on top, Jamie on the bottom. Dice is 9. We'll go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, we have Sybil on top, Cassidy on the bottom. We have gone 8 times. Our dice is 9, so we'll go for the last time at 8:41. Good luck. Congratulations, Tonkanika. You are the winner. We have 45 items in our list. Spot number 4, Tonkanika Kittler, is our winner. We have randomized 9 times. Our dice is 9. So we are done at 8:41.